Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Clearco option for marketing capital based on my experience. If you're an e-commerce or SaaS founder, you know how crucial marketing spend is for growth. Navigating financing options, especially for a flexible need like marketing, can be tricky. Based on my time leveraging Clearco's products, the most direct and effective option for marketing capital is their cash advance, or what they historically referred to as marketing capital. Clearco's cash advance marketing capital. The core benefit of Clearco's non-dilutive financing is its structure, which is tied to your company's revenue and performance, not equity. For marketing specifically, the cash advance is the top choice for a few key reasons. 1. Flexibility and control. Unlike some specialized financing that restricts funds to specific vendors, the cash advance is wired directly to your bank account. This gives you complete control over where you spend the capital. You can deploy across all your vital marketing channels. Think Google Ads, Meta, Facebook/Instagram, TikTok, or even new, promising channels without needing vendor-specific approval. This flexibility is essential when you're testing new campaigns or scaling quickly. 2. Performance-based cost reduction. Historically, and this is a huge plus, Clearco offers significant cashback credit when the funds were used for eligible marketing expenses with preferred vendors like Google and Facebook. This essentially reduced the fixed fee you pay, making the effective cost of capital for your marketing spend much lower. While Clearco has evolved its product suite to include options like rolling funding capacity, continuous capital that refreshes as you repay, and fixed funding capacity, a set amount for a major push, the initial cash advance structure with performance-based fee reduction made it incredibly cost-efficient for marketing. 3. Speed of funding. When a high-performing ad campaign is ready to scale, you need capital now. Clearco is known for its speed, with funding decisions often made within 24 or 48 hours. This quick deployment is a massive advantage over traditional lenders and allows you to capitalize on short-term opportunities, like a seasonal spike or a highly successful ad creative. Practical advice for founders. My advice is to first connect your sales and ad accounts to the Clearco platform. Their data-driven model quickly assesses your business's health and ad performance, specifically metrics like your return on ad spend, ROAS. A strong ROAS is what unlocks the best terms and capacity. In summary, while their product names like capital or fixed/rolling capacity may shift, the non-dilutive product designed for a lump sum to invest in growth, which they call cash advance or was formerly marketing capital, is the optimal way to fund your campaigns while keeping equity and retaining control. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.